Shelby chairs are versatile in the way that changing the seat heights can be done with the quick change of the glides. The 16-inch seat height comes with nylon or felt glides that are easily removable. When the glides from the 16-inch Shelby chair are removed, replacement bell glides can be snapped into place to create the 18-inch seat height. With the use of a tool made just for glide cap removal, the glide caps can be changed easily from nylon to felt to steel. Shelby chair also comes in an 18-inch high mobile option. For this, bell glides can be removed and casters are added easily with a snap into place. For the cantilever Shelby chair, the glides can be changed easily with the light pry of a flathead screwdriver, and new glides are snapped into place with ease.